In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most kind. Assalamu alaikum. I am again here to teach you the next topic of this chapter, which we are studying about the environment and its resources. So today our topic of discussion is about the environmental pollution. What is that environmental pollution and what are its causes? What are its effects on the human life and other living organisms? The earth is going to the worst condition day by day due to the human activity just because of these different kind of pollution and their effects. As in the previous chapter, in the last topic, we have studied about the greenhouse effect and the global warming that are increasing the earth temperature day by day. And today our concern is about the pollution, that which role it is plays towards the adverse condition of this earth. Pollution. Pollution means any change in the properties of the air, water, or the land which have the undesirable effects on the man and other living things or may have such effects in the future. So anything which can change in the originality of the earth, water and the land and add to make it more dirty and the more dangerous for the use of the living organisms that have the adverse effect may in the future. So all these are referred in term of pollution. What are the pollutants? Any excess or the waste substance that can cause the pollution is called pollutant. Like the waste of household, the rubbish and the garbage which is thrown into the land, air and the water, they all are included in the pollutant because they are changing the original and the natural environmental conditions. What are the causes of the environmental pollution? The different gases like the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, the sulfur dioxide, the oxides of nitrogen, smokes, the useless particles which are toxic to the water, they are released from the industries and got entry into the environment. Human activities in the modern industrial world produce a large number of the waste materials which are mainly included into the atmosphere and to the earth, maybe into the water, land and the air, and causing a change in the original properties of air, water and the land, and becoming responsible for creating the undesirable effects on the man and the other living things now or may in the future. There are some other effects or the causes which are creating the environmental pollutions. These are the human excreta, the leftover food stuff, and the domestic trash, which is also included in the waste causing the pollutions. The fertilizers and the pesticides, which you know that the farmer use for the benefit of the plant, but the overuse of these fertilizers and the pesticides, they are also increasing the environmental pollution, as they are washed off by the water and blown away with the wind and causing the environmental pollution. So there are the different sources or the reasons for causing the environmental pollution. On the basis of the change in the air, water and the land and the pollutants which are adding to the environments, there are three types of the different pollutions. According to the part of the environment being affected, pollution is categorized into the three types: air or the atmospheric pollution, water pollution and the land pollution. Air pollution. So what are the causes, effects and the solution for the air pollution on the humans? The air pollution. Air is considered pollutant when the change occur in its original composition or the quality. The change in the quality of the air is due to the addition of the different gases, smoke and the particles which are including in the air and causing the air pollution, making the air unfit for the living organisms to inhale that because of including the certain harmful toxic material and the gases in that polluted air. So there are some important sources of these materials which are including in the air and changing its composition or the original quality to make it unfit for the living organisms. That materials may include the burning of fuels in the factories, the vehicles, and the fuel driven power stations. The release of material during the preparation of the goods in the factories are the coming out asbestos fibers and the stacks of the furnace. For example, the asbestos fiber, the particle of lead and zinc, they are including and releasing material from the factories during the preparation of the goods, including into the air and creating the lot of air pollution. The dust, the chemical fertilizers and the insecticides, they are blown away into the atmosphere by the wind and are also responsible for creating the air pollution. What are the effects of these dirty and the polluted air on the living organism? If we discuss about its effects on the animals and the human lives, maybe the hydrocarbons, the carbon monoxide, the lead particles, and the asbestos fiber may cause cancer and the respiratory diseases because of their presence in the air. They are also responsible for the smoke, which is the main problem of nowadays industrialized countries, especially the developing countries. A brown colored gas called nitrogen peroxide, which combines with some other gases in the presence of the light, called smoke. So smoke will cause the lungs diseases, the cancer, and also the things which could not be clearly visible. It caused the different type of accidents. Along with these, the air pollution also responsible for the greenhouse effect. The excess of the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere definitely release the or causes the greenhouse effect, which capture the absorbed sunlight and increasing the temperature of the earth atmosphere day by day. The temperature is said to be rising due to the greenhouse effect and creating the global warming, which is responsible for many other different problems like the earth climate and the weather will change, the melting of ice cap on the poles and the mountains. Not only the greenhouse effect, but the air pollution may also be responsible for the acidic rain. What is that acidic rain? The acidic rain is the including of sulfur dioxide and the oxides of the nitrogen in the air cause the acidic rain which damage the plants, the aquatic animals and the building also because of these highly acidic compounds present in the air. So these are the different sources and the different causes of the air pollutions like the dust, the like volcanoes, transport, household energy, the wastage material, the agriculture. These all include and impact on the natural environment like the natural composition of the air and creating the pollution. Sulfur dioxide emission and the oxides of the nitrogen into the air definitely causing the acidic rain and that is very dangerous for the aquatic animals and the buildings. Next to the air pollution there is the water pollution. So what is water pollution? Water pollution is caused when the industrial wastes, trash and the sewage from the cities is discharged into the water bodies like the river, lakes, ponds and the oceans. These all the freshwater water bodies they are get polluted by the entering of these industrial waste, the trash and the sewage from the household which mainly discharge into these water bodies creating the lot of water pollution like this. The water pollution is the problem chiefly of the industrialized country but also of the developing countries like Pakistan which has to face these problems because of the illiteracy and uneducation and the people's misbehavior towards their natural resources. They are not consuming the natural resources properly and creating the different problems for the environment. Causes. The different causes of the water pollutions, like the industrial sources, the home and the agriculture also, like the heavy metals like chromium, lead, mercury, they are produced as a waste in the leather, textile, plastic and other chemical factories which are working day and night to fulfill the human population requirements. Along with that, they are also responsible for creating the lot of dirt and the waste materials which are getting entry into the water bodies without sterilizing, without making them pure. They get entry into the water bodies, the causing cancer and the other diseases and making the water unfit for the drinking. Why the fishes are disappeared from the Nala Deck and the river Ravi near the Lahore due to the water pollution? The reason is that the sewage and the domestic waste which contain the leftover foods, the detergents and the human excreta, they are entering into the water bodies and creating the problem for them. Because of that, they increase the concentration of salt and the organic matter into the water, which result in the decrease of the amount of oxygen in which the water aquatic life exists. That polluted water which is deficient in the oxygen will make it unfit for the fishes to live there. So that's the reason that the aquatic life like the plants and the fishes, they are greatly affected by that water pollutions and the fishes have disappeared from there. Dumping of the solid waste and the littering by the human in the rivers, lakes and the ocean. The littering items include the cardboard, the styrofoams and the aluminium, plastic and the glass. These all are creating a lot of the water pollution which making it unfit not for the drinking to the humans but for the aquatic life existing and habitating in that water. The causes of the water pollution like the sewage water and the oil spills, mining activities, they are all participating in causing the water pollution. There was a great oil spill which also created a lot of problem for the aquatic life. Like the oil spill from the oil tankers have the dangerous effect on the life of the marine plants and animals as they form the thick layer of oil on the surface of the sea water. In July 27, 2003, the Greek oil tanker Tasman Spirit met an accident near the Karachi harbour and split up into the two sections. Due to that great loss, not only the 20,000 tons of the crude oil spilled into the sea, but also creating the different problem for the marine life as it reaching to the Clifton beach. This oil spill badly affected the coastline environment, the marine life, and the recreational spots like the Menora, and killing the lot of aquatic life because of forming the thick layer of the surface. Dumping of the nuclear waste into the sea or the ocean may become another source of water pollution. So the government and the people should must be taking the proper step to control this water pollution and the air pollution. So this was about the today topic, that was about the water pollution and the air pollution. So far that was enough. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.